Good morning, everyone. In case you didn't hear it, I'm sure a lot of people have heard it. Angeles City has moved to modified GCQ. A lot of cities have moved to the modified GCQ. Some went from GCQ back to ECQ, like Cebu City. I guess their cases are real bad. What does it mean? I guess it means more and more establishments and businesses are allowed to reopen. More people can go back to work. It's great. The economy can start picking up again. But I told Lut, I said, look, let's go out for breakfast this morning. And that's what we did. We're at breakfast. We are at Central Tower at the rooftop. We got this amazing view. Check it out. Check out this view. Look at that view. Might be a little windy because it is windy up here. We're on the rooftop. Look at that view. Isn't that nice? Amazing view. All right, guys, so what is open right now? We're just gonna take a little walk through here. Here's the Swiss Chalet. We're just gonna take a little walk through here. Tequila Reef, guys. Tequila Reef is still closed. That's where I wanted to go for breakfast, but they're still closed. A lot of them are waiting for a... Good morning. A lot of them are waiting for permits. They have to get permits. There's a lot of rules and regulations and that they have to follow when it comes to opening up a restaurant for people to sit down and dine. A lot of them are just waiting for permits from the government or from the local government to reopen. They have to be inspected and everything. Swiss Chalet is down there. That's another one that I wanted to eat at, but they are waiting for their permit till. But yeah, that a lot more has opened up. A lot opened up, what, last week? But more have opened up now. Massage places, I was told, they're reopened up. Fingernail places and manicure places and pedicure places, they're all reopening up. But like I said, they have to wait to get a permit. Once they get the permit and get inspected, then they're good to go. Now, well, the bar is open here. They say bars. All right. Will the entertainment bars reopen? I have no clue. I have no clue. Time will tell. I know. Dave's Kebab Bar and Grill, I know they're open. Hi, buddy.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. I know they have reopened. Takeout and delivery only. Oh, I thought they were reopened. Huh. I got some wrong information, I guess. Most of them are still, the ones that were open for takeout and delivery are still open for takeout and delivery. Now, I know Philly's here on the left and Envy here on the right. They are open for dining. Sit in, dining and eating. Let me see. Yeah, they're open. They're open. Hi, buddy. Beep.
35.4.
Good. All right. I just want to see here. Yeah, they're open for dining. You see, seating is scattered. Yeah, they're open. All right.
What's your name? What's your YouTube channel?
Philly in the Philippines.
Philly in the Philippines?
Oh, yeah.
I already got mine.
You got yours?
Yeah.
What's yours?
It's Mar Piazza.
Mark?
Mar Piazza.
Our Piazza. Our.
Mar Piazza.
Okay, cool. I'll check it out. All right.
Alright, we're now open.
Oh, you're open?
Yeah.
Open for business.
Yeah.
That's good. Good, good.
Because regular.
Regular, yeah.
Okay, brother.
So yeah, Envy's open, Philly's is open, but no trike, no thank you. The outside eating deck there, that's where a lot of people sit and observe, just hang out. But here, the Magic Street is still closed, guys. Still closed. They're saying hotel restaurants are allowed to reopen. There's some good restaurants up on the walking street there. What's the one place that we go to? Grand Central?
Yeah.
No,
Grand Central.
down here.
Central Park.
Central.
Park.
Central Park?
PERK.
Are you sure that's the name of it?
Yeah.
Central Park. I guess let's say in Central Park. Nah, I'm good. They got good food there. I wish they would reopen. But you can see Philly's here. They got the front here, barrier, so you can't spit out onto people. People can't spit into you. Or Grand Central, I guess that's it. Yeah, what about those down there? In Kokomo's? Kokomo's is down there too, right?
Yeah.
That's another one.
But I don't know if...
Yeah, and Korean restaurants. There's some good Korean eating restaurants down there. So I don't know, I don't know why, if they're open. All right, buddy. All right.
Okay.
So yeah, but it's on the Magic Street. We can't open the Magic Street. All them over there, they have all reopened. Your barbers, beauty salons, that's it, they're all open. Looks like travel agency is open, maybe, I don't know. Money Burgers. Are they open to sit in? Are they open? Can you sit in and eat now? Okay, Bunny Burgers is sit-in dining finally. There's the nice couch. Yeah, it's great to see things slowly open. Yeah, Cebu went back from GCQ to ECQ. I guess too many cases. I think they were late for the party. I think we here in Angeles went under the ECQ, and then maybe couple weeks later, Cebu City went under the ECQ. So that kind of sucks, though, huh? No parking. Place is still closed. These places, I think, your bars, not the entertainment girly bars. Your bars here will slowly open. I don't know about hotels. I didn't hear anything about hotels. If they're allowed to reopen to take in new customers, I don't know. I didn't hear anything. Of course, your money changers are still open. And lawyers. We'll go here to the left. So I know some of the massage places are down here to the left. They also have to get approved, meet different requirements. so that they can reopen. All your little shoe stores and stuff, they're all reopened. See, they're open. That's salons, salon and spa. Club Icarus doors open. Vilma store, Vilma. I know a Vilma. Oh. Some fruits or vegetables. Somebody. All right, cool, yeah. Here are your massage. All right, these are your massage places down here. I mean, there's a lot of massage places. Region Spa Massage. Now they got their sign covering their door, so. Philippine Tradition Massage. We are open. No face mask, no entry. So they are open. That's a massage place. We had a massage in here, right?
No.
Are you sure? Yeah.
Here, but
We had a massage at one of these places down here. I forget which one. Figured we'd try it one day and it was okay, right? Like typical, no thrills. It wasn't really that great, but it was okay. Please come in, we're open. This establishment hours. Sorry, this establishment observes hourly area sanitation, disinfection, and fight of COVID-19. Those who eat any wildlife animals within 48 hours will not be allowed inside. With travel history from January through, so there it is. That's for the money truck right there. Dude walking down the road, protecting the money truck. More traffic back out. Holiday travel.
Oh, no.
Travel agents open? Yeah, travel agents are open. What?
here.
That one's open. That means
Yeah.
travel agents are allowed to be open. I have to go up and see what's her name up there? See if our yeah, see if our trip is rebooked or if we're out of money. We'll see. We will see. We might be out of money. Margarita Station, still boarded up, still closed. I was told, I don't know, that they did a lot of remodeling in there. They got everything closed up so you can't see in. I would imagine they're just waiting for a permit to reopen. Boy, it is warm out this morning. JJ's, well, they've been open. Dunkin' Donuts. See how they have the plastic barrier up on everything here. No, no thank you. Oh, Korean kimchi.
Kimchi.
Korean kimchi, look.
Korean kimchi.
Everybody's trying to make a buck. Or a peso. Wait, peso. I have to say peso. Somebody corrected me. They said it's not peso. Peso is used when you're using just one, right, Lut? You're using one, then it's a peso. If you're using more than one, Lut says it's peso. Peso. P-E-S-E-O. Peso. All right, guys, I seen every time I come up here, there seems to be a lot of people up in this area here. I don't know what they're. Why is everybody here? Do you know? Why everybody here? You don't know. Oh, you're not waiting for here.
Medical certificate.
Medical clearance.
Yeah.
You have to get it here at the police station.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So everybody's waiting for a job?
Yeah.
So that's all for job. Okay, thank you. Salamat. So she was saying that you have to get a medical clearance to get a job now. They're requiring medical clearances. And from what she was saying, this is where you have to get a medical clearance. This is something new I think they've started. I don't know. But every time you come down here, hello. Every time you come down here, there's just people all over. I'll clarify that, because you always ask one, you got to ask two or three to actually know what's going on. That's the Angeles City Tourist Auxiliary. I will ask again to find out for sure. I like your mask. That's a cool mask. I don't wanna. It's all here. I'll ask one of these dudes over here that are wearing the official, like an official shirt. They should know their job. Hi, buddy. What is this for? Is it for medical clearance?
Medical certificate for applying travel pass.
For a job or travel?
For travel.
Oh, travel. So you have to come here
Also for work.
for work. So if you want to travel out of here back to your province, you have to get the clearance here, medical clearance
Yes,
here, and also for work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, salamat. Thank you. There it is. I knew he would know. That's his job to know, right? All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. You guys seen it. There's a lot more that's going to start opening. Like I was saying, and many times in the video, people are just waiting for their permits. They need inspections, dining, kitchen areas. There's a whole huge list of it that they're required to do and follow before they can get the permit from the city government here to reopen. Walking Street, those bars, I have no clue whatsoever. As of right now, you still can't walk down the Magic Street, the street with the cure, I call it, Lut.
Yeah.
Yeah, I say because it's shut down. Nobody's allowed there. Well, why? It's a regular street. Is the cure on that street? I don't know. But if you check this video out because you thought the Walking Street bars are open and the girly bars are open, sorry to disappoint you. They're not. As far as I know, they're not.
They're not opening it.
Lut says they're not opening yet. Maybe somebody out there knows more than me, because I'm not the one to go sit in the bars there. But I know there's people not only here but around the world that are waiting. The Sex Pat Willie boys, they are waiting to get down there on the Walking Street and into the bars. But anyways, that's all I know, and that's a wrap. You got anything to say, Lut?
No, good morning.
Yeah. Oh, I know what to say. Check out Lut's channel.
Yeah, you need to check that out and
Lutz.
give me a subscribe.
Lut's Diary Adventures in the Philippines. Check it out. I know a lot of you have. A lot of you have subscribed, and I thank you. She thanks you.
Thank you.
And with that, that's a wrap.